Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cheese pasta. Let's start by gathering our ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of your favorite pasta, like macaroni or shells, which is roughly 225 grams. For the sauce, grab 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. You'll also need 2 cups of milk, which is about 475 milliliters, and 8 ounces of shredded cheese. Don't forget a half teaspoon of salt and a quarter teaspoon of black pepper for seasoning. Now let's get that pasta cooking. Fill a large pot with water and add a generous pinch of salt. Bring it to a rolling boil over high heat. Once boiling, add your 8 ounces of pasta and cook it according to the package instructions, usually for about 8 to 10 minutes. Remember to stir it occasionally to ensure it doesn't stick. You want it to be al dente, which means firm to the bite. Once cooked, drain the pasta well and set it aside. The heart of our dish is the creamy cheese sauce. In a saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to form a roux. Cook this mixture for about 1 minute, stirring constantly until it's lightly golden. Slowly pour in 2 cups of milk, whisking continuously to prevent lumps until the sauce begins to thicken. Remove the pan from the heat and stir in your 8 ounces of shredded cheese until it's completely melted and smooth. Finally, season with a half teaspoon of salt and a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Almost there. Now it's time to bring everything together. Take your drained, cooked pasta and add it directly into the warm, creamy cheese sauce. Gently stir everything together until every piece of pasta is beautifully coated in that rich, cheesy goodness. Give it a quick taste and adjust the salt or pepper if you feel it needs a little more. Serve your homemade cheese pasta immediately while it's warm and comforting. Enjoy this simple yet incredibly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.